Guys, we're at the beach. I don't know if you can hear me because it's really windy, but we're here. You've met most of these people, but we've got some. Oh, hello. We've got Layla again.
Back at it again.
Yeah, and we've got Josie. She's joining us, and we've got Franny, which you've met, and we've got Kira and Sophie and Cordy, which you've met. We're gonna take some pictures and then we're gonna go swimming. We're at Head Beach. We're also gonna have Claire and Molly here soon. You made it! So we are leaving the beach. I'm here by myself. Everyone else is coming in from swimming. And we're gonna pack up and head off. We might do something in the car, we'll see.
I spooked you. Hello.
I have Franny and Layla here to help me cook because I need moral support and support making rice.
I just ate the burned bits.
But I've made coconut curry chicken and Brussels sprouts over a bed of jasmine rice. Which sounds really bougie, but I really just use this box with that comes
don't tell him!
And yeah, and then we've got like a cute little setup. Come look at this. Layla picked out the plates. I picked out the glasses. Franny graciously rolled the silverware.
Hit her up.
We've got that really gross candle in the middle.
I really burnt the rice. Fuck, guys. That's burned. I had one job.
Smells really good.
It's sticky. Fine. It'll taste fine with the coconut curry chicken. Were you? You're like, I'll burn this rice. Enjoy the chicken and the curry more.
It tastes so good. Oh!
A chef in her environment.
Ashley's gonna complain because there's still not enough Franny in this. Franny's the one filming.
Guess you just burped 10 times. This girl.
Okay, I finished making the meal and Layla finished burning the the rice.
I'm the worst, but I had a really, look how, I'm a tomato. Okay, bye.
La tomate.
The tomato.
Some girl ordered the tomato tofu treat. And I go, sit down, sister, I'll bring you the tomato.
I think Alex says tomato.
Oh! Just throw a little in my mouth.
Bye. We're going to 7-Eleven and we're gonna get Snapple.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna go get Snapple.
How big? Ah! That's the chicken pho.
Yeah, it's in
You spilled the chicken pho?
Yeah.
Can I just sit in the trunk?
No, Earl, get the fuck out. We got this. Okay, ladies, let's get information.
I have an Ipsy bag. Did you get Ipsy?
My friend sent it to me for. My friend sent it to me. Oh my fucking god. We've come this far. We're not giving up now.
Run!
I really hope this isn't the fucking vlog. You say a single word of complaint. Okay,
Please turn off the music. I don't want to get demonetized. To the
Do you remember
right,
when I was
everything.
leaving Trini's house and she didn't want to tell me that I was going the wrong way, so she made me go in a full circle without saying anything, even though I could have just turned around because she didn't want to make me feel bad.
No, you were not going straight.
Oh my god, where are we going?
At that stop sign. No, Layla! Layla, at the stop sign, go left.
Okay, right it is. Right. Comment down below if I can stay at your house. Wait, can we stop at Niles' house?
What do you have to drop off?
A hat?
A crazy, funky, junky.
So do you know where 7-Eleven is?
Shut the fuck up. Free chili and cheese. Wait, the address on the fake ID was 7-Eleven Court because it's 7-Eleven. Oh, mine's that. There used to be a really damn good ice cream place called
Cody's?
Called Cody's. Then fucking Smiley's came along and this bitch Alyssa came along. My favorite pastime is going to Smiley's and hanging out with Alyssa and scaring the shit out of the people working with her.
Wait, do you like go inside?
No, I'm just so weird when I go there because I'm so tired.
She stands at my window, and there are customers that come over.
Talks to the customer.
There are customers who come over to like look at the ice cream, and she goes, you can order at that window.
Oh my love of God, take a right. Nivea.
I have to pee so bad.
I'm laughing so hard I can't drink it. I feel like I can open this with my butt.
Maeve, I'm sorry we're violating your house.
Just leave.
Oh, that.
It's locked. Please don't open it. Please don't open it.
Okay, I can. Whoa.
That's Lewis's bed. You seriously seem like you're on drugs.
I know. Our commitment to sustainability.
What did you just say?
Our commitment to stay. Say our commitment to stay. Our commitment. Oh, our commitment to. Our commitment to sustainability 3 times fast. Our commitment to sustainability. Our commitment to. Oh.
We all do it. We've all wall twerked on this wall.
Successfully.
I have successfully. Cordy has kind of.
Whoa! All the blood just went to my head. Alright guys, we're just gonna have a little bit of a heart-to-heart here. I don't really know what to talk to you guys about, but sometimes it's just like, you know, everyone's so like superficial and stuff and like obsessed with their phones that you just gotta like take a moment and like sit back and like eat your puffs and stuff. So that's kind of like where I'm at right now. That was a good one. I just gotta let you know, chimichanga. But I'm actually the like mother of Stan. Me and Earl, all we've ever done is hold hands, so I don't really know where Stan came from, but that doesn't really matter. Oh, one time we went to breakfast when Franny was working and we had like a heart to heart and that was really nice, and like we've done stuff and like gone to the beach. But next year I think she's gonna work with at the Airbnb with my grandfather, so that'll be super cool and I'm super excited. Damn sis. Let's talk.
Let's talk about sex, baby.
That's what I was gonna do.
What was your first time like?
No. You know, focus on yourself and like making sure you're healthy and like.
I think you focus on yourself, but also like don't do it in a way that hurts other people. Don't be an ass, basically.
Don't be a damn.
You can help yourself while also being a good friend and a friendly, outgoing person in general.
Yes.
So
much is all over here.
I did. I love Layla.
Here it comes. Ready?
I love Layla. She's on her phone a lot.
No. Okay, Okay, let's talk. Let's analyze that.
Let's
talk about that.
How much do you guys think is too much time to be spending on your phone?
Let's rephrase that question. I think if you're like, there are different types of being on your phone to me.
That's true.
I think if you're texting people, if you're actively Snapchatting people and maintaining conversation,
yeah,
that's different. If you're like scrolling through things, or like if it's not human to human interaction, I don't think you need that much of it. But for me, so much of it is like talking to people.
You do talk a lot to people, like a lot. You talk to a lot of people on your phone.
What I would do right now,
like, you
on my
text
phone,
so much more than I do because you like to keep that. That's like because the way that you keep contact with your friends and stuff.
Exactly. And like
she's from Ohio but went to boarding school in Pennsylvania, and so she's got a lot of people who she talks to on her phone in different places. So I think having her phone for her is helpful in that way. But like, I hate texting people. And I think part of that is just because I hang out with all of my friends so often.
Right now.
Like, I have that easy access to people. And I hate texting them because I'd rather just like go over to their house and talk to them. But yeah, you're right though. That's true.
Also, the other thing, tonight I was on my phone like a lot. Like, I went from lemongrass to Smiley's, and then like I was just on my phone for like a solid 40 minutes. But the reason was that because from when we were at the beach, okay, I wasn't on. Like, I was playing cards, going in the ocean.
Yeah.
Morning to then to work, I hadn't been on my phone. So like, I have ways of rationalizing. I think like sometimes at night, like I can't like put my phone in, like, why am I still doing this? Like, that's
that's fair. I think everyone kind of has issues with.
What is my astrological sign?
What is yours? If I was to guess.
Yeah.
Okay, if I were to guess your astrological sign, I think.
I don't know astrological signs.
I think you'd be a Leo.
Oh.
Or a Libra.
Yes!
Right?
Yeah.
Like, astrology, and I love listening to it and I love reading about it, but I think that they're all pretty general and like you can kind of pick. We're talking about lots
What's
of
your
things.
astrological sign?
Virgo.
Guess.
Damn it, sorry.
Guess what I would be.
I have no idea the personalities. I want to say Scorpio, I don't know why. No,
Think I'm a Scorpio?
Yeah.
My moon sign is Scorpio, which is like what everyone else sees you as.
Okay.
And then my real sign is Aries, because I was born in March.
I see Aries.
Peace out, bro scouts.
Take a moment and like sit back and like eat your puffs and stuff.